How to add black screen in CapCut PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut application in your PC. Once the CapCut application is opened in your PC, go ahead and import the video. Now once the video is imported, go ahead and drag your video into the timeline. And once the video is in your timeline, go ahead and select the video, and let's say I would like to add a black screen right over here. For that, press Ctrl plus B in your keyboard, or you can simply tap on the split icon. So let's say I would like to add a black screen right over here. So when you move the video clip, it will not let you to add a black screen. So in order to add a black screen, you simply want to go ahead and turn off main track magnet. Go ahead and turn it off. And once it is turned off, you can successfully add a black screen in your CapCut in your PC. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.